Hello children, good morning. You are all well and fine. So children, today in this session we are going to learn 7th class chapter 2. What is the name of the chapter, children? Name of the chapter is acids. Acids and bases. Okay, this is the name of the chapter, children. Acids and bases. Okay, so acids and bases. So children, for lesson reading, I am calling your friend Afrin here. She will come and read the lesson for you. Okay, so Afrin, come beta here and read the lesson. Okay, so come beta Afrin. Okay, start it.
Acids and bases. In your daily life, we use a lot of materials. Even our food has a lot of variety. Different items also have different tastes. In preparing and storing food, we take a lot of care. In this chapter, we would try to understand the reasons for some of them. What sort of food do we eat? Or are all items alike? For example, do they have the same color, taste, etc.? Fruits, vegetables and other food substances have some different tastes. Write the names of the food substances. Do some substances change color when added to other substances? Have you observed any change when lime water is added to turmeric? Take some turmeric powder, add a bit of water to it and prepare turmeric paste. Rub the turmeric paste on a white paper. Draw a flower on that paper with a pencil. Color the flower with soap water using a brush. Does the color of the flower remain the same when soap water is used? Similarly, take some lime water, add a few drops of it on piece of turmeric paper. Color of turmeric paper this same in both the cases. Rani and Sai dropped food they were eating on a white sheet. They washed the sheet with soap and found to their surprise a red spot appearing on the sheet. What is the reason for the red spot? The turmeric is a natural indicator. We can also prepare other natural indicators mentioned in the table 2 and carry out the tests. Let us test some substances using these natural indicators. What are the substances which can change? Try with some other substances and observe the changes. Take solutions of some juices of fruits, vegetables, cold drinks and various solutions and test them with blue and red litmus papers. List out results in the table 3 by marking in the relevant column. Which of the above substances change red litmus to blue? Which of the above substances change the blue litmus to red? Precaution. Don't test any substances unless your teacher instructs. You wash the test tube, stick or dropper you use for putting drops of substances on different paper strips for next use. Classify the above substances into the following categories from the above observations. Table 4. Now take things which were sour in taste and use as food, curd, lemon juice, etc. Check with blue and red litmus. What happens? The strips of litmus change the color based on the nature of the material. Acidic nature. You may have experienced a burning sensation when bitten by an ant. The sensation is due to the presence of formic acid that the ant releases. given in table 5. Basic nature. How do you feel when you touch a cake of soap? Take it between your fingers and gently rub your fingers into it, on it. What the same with the other material. What difference do you notice? You might have touched soap water, lime water. How do you feel? Can you list out some more substances? How do you feel when you touch a cake? Some substances that we use in our daily life contain different bases. For example, soap, glass, cleaners, various substances containing bases or listed in the below table. Burn a small piece of magnesium ribbon by holding with tongs. Collect the white ash and dissolve it in a little water. Touch the solution formed and test this solution with blue litmus and red litmus.
Thank you, Afrain. Okay. So children, now you listen the Afrin's reading. Okay. So how she is reading, I hope you are also practicing and trying to develop your reading skill. Are you trying now? Yes? Yes. Keep it up, children. Okay. One lesson twice a day. At least you have to read, children. Reading is very important. Reading makes you perfect, and you will know what subject given into the lesson. Your word power will increase, and you are able to write the answer in your own words. Okay, na? So, chapter 2. What is the name of the chapter, children? Acids and bases. Okay. In our daily life, we use a lot of materials. Even our food has a lot of variety. Different items also have different taste. In preparing and storing food, we take lot of care. In this chapter, we would try to understand the reasons for some of them. Let us first think over the following questions related to what we eat. What sort of food do we eat? Are all the items alike? For example, do they have the same color, taste, etc. So what the questions be given? What sort of food do we eat? And all the foods we are eating, that is are alike. Alike means same, or that is different into the color or taste. Okay, so we are not eating same item, no. So the food we eat is a various food, various types of food. Okay, various items we will eat. So here they given one table. Okay, sweet, sour, bitter, salty, spicy. So that item, food item names we have to write here, children. Okay, so we'll write the table on the board. Table 1. We have to sort out the food which we eat daily, children. Okay, according to the taste. Okay, children. So right here, serial number, sweet, sweet, sour, bitter, salty, spicy. Spicy. Okay. So one exam, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write. Okay. Sugar. What is the taste of sugar? Okay. Sugar is sweet. Okay. Then you have to write here lemon. Sour is lemon. Lemon juice. Bitter. Okay. Common salt. Okay. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Salty. Common salt. Red mirchi. Spicy. Red mirchi. So like this we have to write the items according to their taste. Okay.